In this example, we are asked to use Pascal's triangle to find the expressions of the examples shown. So first we'll look at example A. So we have x plus 2y cubed. So first we will find the rule on using Pascal's triangle, which will be expressed as a plus b cubed, and the coefficients will be 1a cubed plus 3 a squared b plus 3ab squared and plus 1b squared cubed. So in this scenario, the coefficients are 1, 3, 3, and 1 as shown here. So in this example, we will have ax plus 2y cubed being equal to 1x cubed plus 3 in the scenario x squared y, y in the scenario 2y, and then we have plus 3x 2y squared plus 3, so in this scenario it will be 1 multiplied by 2y cubed. So to simplify this expression further, that will give us x cubed plus 6x squared y plus 12xy squared plus 8y squared. And this will be our answer for part A. For part B, we have the expression of 2x minus 5 to the power 4. So in this scenario, the a plus b to the power 4 would give us 1a to the power 4 plus 4a squared b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4ab squared plus 1b squared. So the coefficients are the ones highlighted here. So coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So now for the example we have 2x minus 5 to the power 4, it will be expressed in the form of 1 multiplied by 2x to the power 4 plus 4 2x cubed, and we also have plus 6 by 2x squared and also minus 5. So in this scenario we'll just write this again. So for the term 4, we would have 4 by 2x cubed multiplied by minus 5, and we also have plus 6 2x and minus 5, so that will be squared, and also we have the terms of 4 2x and minus 5 squared, and we also have the term of 2x minus 5 in the scenario to the power 4. So to simplify the expression, that would give us 16x to the power 4 minus 160x to the power 3 plus 600x squared plus take away 1000, so it's plus 600x squared minus 1000x, and we also have plus 625. So the answer will be the expressions shown here. and this will be our answer for part B. In this example, the coefficients of x squared in the expansion of the between brackets 2 minus c x close bracket cubed is 294, and find the possible value or values of the constant c. So in this scenario, since we have the cubic root, so that will give us we can use the Pascal's rule, which is a plus b cubed, so that will give us 1a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus 1b cubed. So in this scenario, the coefficients are 1, 3, 3, 1. So in this scenario, the term x squared, is 3 multiplied by 2, and we have also so the coefficient of x squared, so the x squared in this scenario is 3 multiplied by 2 minus cx squared, so that will give us 6x squared c squared, as we are taking the second route of both. And then, so in this scenario, we will equate the 6x c squared to the 294. So 6c squared x squared equal 294. And since we are equating in this scenario, we're just equating this the cubic root route of the c squared to the term, so that will give us 6c squared. So in this scenario, c squared will be 294 over 6, which will give us 49, and that will give us c being plus minus 7, and this will be our answer for the expression. In this example, state the rule of Pascal's triangle that would give the coefficient of each expansion. So we have the expression of x plus y between brackets cubed. So that means the n plus 1 row of Pascal's triangle gives the coefficient coefficients in the expansion of a plus b to the power n. So in this scenario, since it's the 3, so that will be 3 plus 1, and that will give us the 4th row, and this will be our answer for this question. In this example, we also have we're asked to state the rule of Pascal's triangle that will give the coefficients of each expansion. So in this scenario, it will be n plus 1 and row. So in this scenario, since it's 3x minus 7 and it's 15, so it will be 15th row plus 1, so that will give us the 16th row, and this will be our answer. In this example, we are asked to state the rule of Pascal's triangle that will give the coefficient for expansion of 2x plus half n. So we know n plus 1 will represent the nth row. So in this scenario, since we have n plus 1, so since we're starting with n, so it will be n plus 1 for the expression of 2x plus half n. That means we would have n plus 1, and that would be n plus one row for this expression, and this will be our answer for the coefficient for this expression. In this example, we are asked to state the row of Pascal's triangle that will give the coefficient for each expansion. So we have know that the nth row will be n plus 1 nth row. So in this scenario, we have y minus 2x to the power of n plus 4. So that would give us n plus 4 plus 1, and that would give us n plus 5 n plus 5 row, and this will be our answer for this expression.